to Codin. So last time we have discussed about how we can get tables in HTML with the help of the table tag. Now today we are going to discuss other part of table, that is using col span and row span in table, that how we can use row span and col span in table to merge the columns or rows in an HTML document. So guys, if you like the content what I post, do like it, share it and also subscribe to my channel. I already know whenever we are using a table, we require a table tag to insert a table in HTML. So basically what is a table? Table is a combination of rows as well as column. That whatever we are using in a table, it will consist of rows and some columns involved in it, because without any rows and column a table cannot be created. So the table tag what we are using a th element which is used to define the table heading. We are using the td element to define the columns. We are using the tr element to define the rows of the table. So in a case, if I want that a value of 2 rows be stored in only one row, means if one column will include 2 rows and the other column will include 2 rows, for that we are using a col span and a row span. So basically it means merging of 2 or more columns in a row, or means we can merge 2 or more rows into a single row. This is the purpose of using a row span as well as a col span. Now coming forward, what do we mean by a col span and row span? You can see with the help of an example. Whenever we are talking about the col span tag and the row span tag, basically these are the other attributes that are involved in a td and the th tag. So whenever I am talking about the col span tag is used to merge 2 or more columns in a row. Basically what does it mean? That 2 columns, if you want to move 2 columns into one single row, that is the purpose of a col span tag. So basically what we are using either the td col span equals to 2, or we can use th col span equals to 2. That is based upon how many number of columns that you want to merge into one single row. This is the purpose of the col span tag. So now let us understand this with the help of an example. Here you can see that I have written over here a code that starting with HTML, then I have written the body tag, then I have defined the table. As you already know that table includes a border, height and width. After that I have defined a tr tag in which I have given the bg color of the tr tag as yellow. After that I have defined a th tag. Here you can see I have written as col span is equals to 2, and then I have given the value of the th what I want to write as a heading. Then I have written th again a heading, that is Honda. Then I have closed the tr tag. Means basically what will happen, it will create me one row, that is the Maruti and Honda. These 2 columns will be displayed. After that what I have written a tr tag and the bg color I have given. After that I have defined some rows, td Esther, td Desire, then td column city. These are number of rows that I have defined. Then I have closed the tr tag, then I have closed the table tag, then I have closed the HTML tag. So whenever I will execute this code, as you can see in the output, the heading are coming as Maruti and Ezra Honda. The numbers are coming as Star, Desire and City. So as you can see in the code, I have written col span equals to 2. So as I have written col span equals to 2, you can see that the number of rows that were defined below it was Star and Desire. They were 2, so these 2 are categorized under the Maruti one. So means all these the Maruti one is categorized into 2 columns which includes 2 rows, that is the Star and the Desire. So means what happened, one row is merged into 2 parts, that is the Maruti one, because the col span was equals to 2, and so that you can see that Star and Desire are coming over here. So this is the purpose of using a col span. The next kind of attribute that is available of td and th tag is the row span attribute. So whenever I am talking about the row span attribute, the attribute is used to merge 2 or more rows into a single row. Whenever I am talking about this attribute, this what will happen, it will merge 2 rows into a single row. Like in the previous case what it was happening that the columns were being merged into a single row. In this case the 2 rows will be merged into a single row. So now let us understand this with the help of an example. I am taking the same table that I have done in the previous case, but you will see the output that will be changed to you when I am using the row span attribute over here. What will be the effect of the output? So as you can see that I have written HTML, then I have written the body tag, then I have defined the table. Table includes border, height as well as the width. Then I have defined a tr and the background color of the tr is defined as yellow. After that I have used a th row span equals to 2. In this case what I am using in the heading, row span equals to 2. That means it will take the column as 2. Means in this case it will merge 2 or more rows into one single row. In the previous case what it was happening, it was merging 2 or more columns into a row. So in this case you can see that bg color I have defined, after that the row span also I have given. Then I have given again the TD tag and I have to close the first column. After that I have defined a TR attribute in which I have written right click color, and then I have given the TD is equals to desired. In this only one attribute I have given over here. Then after that I have defined the TR tag, BG color is pink, and then I have defined a Honda and city. Then I have closed the TR tag, table tag, and so the HTML tag. So whenever I will execute this code, as you can see, as I clicked on the browser, the code is over, the output over here is displayed. Maruti is displayed and Honda is displayed, and at the right hand side you can see Esther and Desired is displayed. Beneath that there is a city. So as you can see, both of these Maruti one is into a two rows are defined into one single row. Maruti is coming, and in that front the Esther and Desire is coming. So this is the purpose of whenever I'm using a row span. It means basically it is used to merge two or more rows into a single row. I think you must be clear about what do you mean by call span and row span, and how we can define a table in HTML, as I have explained you in the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, you can go to my channel and visit the previous video also and watch that video also. And if you like the content what I post, do like it, share it and subscribe it. And also you can connect me on Instagram and on my website. The link is in the description. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching.